Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? This is Salim Khan from Ghulam Abbas. I hope that you will all be safe and sound and in a good health. My dear student, today we are going to learn a very important and interesting topic in our course book under the heading of Learn Grammar. It is on page number 17, 18, and here the practice is on page number 18 in our course book under the heading of expressing reasons using because. In this lesson, dear student, we are going to learn the correct use of because. As you know that because is a very common word in English grammar, in English language, which is used in most of the conversation. Before to start our actual practice, let's read some examples. My dear student, try to understand these example. Here we go. The first thing which I underlined for you, that is we drink water. Now here is the question, why do we drink water? Look at the reason, because we are thirsty. That's why we are drinking water. In these sentences, the first thing before because is called the result, and after because part of the sentence is known as the reason. This is the cause and this is the reason. And what does the word because do here? It links these two sentences. Keep this in your mind that here because join or link the two sentences. Clear? And it also shows the relationship between the reason and the result. Keep these two in your mind. Furthermore, I will tell you, look at the other example. She reads books. Again the question is here, why does she read book? Give the reason. Because we will write the word because first of all before reason. Because she likes them. She likes books, that's why she reads books. Okay, look at the last example. You help others. Again here is the question, why do you help other? Write the linking word because, and after this, because you are a good boy. Look here, after because subject come first and after that verb. Subject and then verb. Subject and then verb. Clear? It is the structure. Let's see what is the role of because in the example which we have read. First of all, as I told you that because plays a role of a linking word. Again, because plays the role of a linking word. As I told you that it join or link two sentences. Number next, it shows the relationship between the result and the cause. It shows the relationship between the result and the cause. And the last thing, my dear student, is that after writing because, we will write the subject and after that verb. Clear? Subject plus verb is going to be written after because. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look at other examples. Number one is going to be done for you. I stayed at home. Now write the word because, and after this give the reason. What is the reason? Because it was raining. This portion is called result and this portion is called the reason. And here again, because links are joined these two sentences. It also show the relationship between the result and the reason. Clear? Look at the other sentence. She is absent today. It is the result. And what is the reason? Here is the reason, because she is unwell. And here again, because links and show the relationship between the result and the cause. She is absent today. Soon after that we will write because, and after that we will write the reason, because she is unwell. Now the last sentence, he stopped bothering others. It is the result, that someone had stopped bothering or teasing other people. And after this we will write the word, linking word, or the word because here, and after this we will give the reason, because it was bad to hurt others. Clear, my dear student? Now we are going to make a simple practice in our course book. As I told you that this practice is there on page number 18 under the heading of Learn Grammar in our course book. And here we go. Look at sentence number 1. Climbing K2 is difficult. Do you know, dear student, what is K2? K2 is the second highest mountain peak in the world. It is located in Pakistan in Karakoram ranges. It is located in our northern area. So climbing K2 mountain is difficult. Now what are we going to do here? Yes, we are going to write because here, and after this we will give the reason. There may be different reason. Like for ordinary people it is very difficult to climb high mountain. There they can be dangerous. There can be less oxygen. There may be different reason. You have to write only one. Now what are we are going to do? Climbing K2 is difficult because it is very dangerous. Sentence number 2, primitive people, olden people, the people of olden age, lived in caves, mountains. And what is the reason? Before reason we are going to write here because, and after this we will give the reason. Because they didn't have the idea of building houses, because they were not civilized, because they were not educated. There may be different reason. Write only one here for your practice. Now the next one is, we plant trees. Why do we grow plants or trees? What is the reason for that? The main reason that trees are the source of food for human as well as for animals. They keep the atmosphere cool, they attract rains. There may be different reason. So you have to write only one. We plant trees. And now here, yes, because, and after that reason, because trees keeps the atmosphere balanced. Clear? Now look at these sentences. They eat rice every time. Why somebody eat one kind of food every time? Yes, of course, because they like them. So write here because, and after this give the reason. because they like rice very much. She went to Paris. Now here write the linking word. What is the linking word, dear student? Yes, of course, because. Because is the linking word. Right here, because, and after this, give the reason. There may be different reason, like she was on holidays, she wanted to meet her parents. You can write such kind of sentence. Some people wear glasses, spectacles. Right here, the linking word because, and after this, give the reason. Because they are actors, because their eyesight is weak, because they like to wear it. Okay, and the last one, I'm not going to help you. You have to solve this one by yourself. We love Islam. Islam is the name of our religion. Why do we love Islam? Right here, because, and after this, give the reason. The reason is Islam, because Islam is the religion of peace. Because Islam is our religion. My dear student, I hope that you would have enjoyed the lesson very much, and of course, I believe that you would have learned from this lesson. Thanks for watching carefully. Again, I am saying, if you have any kind of problem, ask me, and I will be feeling very well to give you the answer. Till the next class, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.